I arrive at the zoo.
I arrive at the zoo.
I see the zoo gate.
I see the zoo gate.
I buy a ticket.
I buy a ticket.
I enter the zoo.
I enter the zoo.
I take a zoo map.
I take a zoo map.
I check the animal areas.
I check the animal areas.
I follow the zoo path.
I follow the zoo path.
I see a tall giraffe.
I see a tall giraffe.
The giraffe stretches its neck.
The giraffe stretches its neck.
The giraffe eats green leaves.
The giraffe eats green leaves.
I watch the giraffe carefully.
I watch the giraffe carefully.
I visit the elephant area.
I visit the elephant area.
An elephant waves its trunk.
An elephant waves its trunk.
The elephant sprays water.
The elephant sprays water.
The elephant flaps its ears.
The elephant flaps its ears.
I take a picture.
I take a picture.
I hear a loud roar.
I hear a loud roar.
I see a lion.
I see a lion.
The lion walks slowly.
The lion walks slowly.
The lion rests on a rock.
The lion rests on a rock.
I look at the lion's cage.
I look at the lion's cage.
I visit the monkey area.
I visit the monkey area.
A monkey climbs a rope.
A monkey climbs a rope.
Another monkey swings quickly.
Another monkey swings quickly.
The monkeys play together.
The monkeys play together.
I enter the birdhouse.
I enter the bird house.
I hear birds singing.
I hear birds singing.
A parrot opens its wings.
A parrot opens its wings.
A flamingo stands on one leg.
A flamingo stands on one leg.
I visit the reptile house.
I visit the reptile house.
A snake moves quietly.
A snake moves quietly.
A turtle hides in its shell.
A turtle hides in its shell.
I walk to the bear area.
I walk to the bear area.
A bear catches a fish.
A bear catches a fish.
The bear swims across the water.
The bear swims across the water.
I visit the penguin area.
I visit the penguin area.
The penguins dive into the water.
The penguins dive into the water.
The penguins swim very fast.
The penguins swim very fast.
I see many amazing animals.
I see many amazing animals.
The zoo is full of life.
The zoo is full of life.
Great job! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.